Hi kiddos! Are you ready? Let's learn our first fruit. Let's begin. Apple. This is an apple. Say apple. Okay kiddos, let's spell it together. A P P L E Apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. You did amazing, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Banana. This is a banana. Can you say banana? Let's spell it together. B A N A N A Banana. Bananas give you energy and are easy to peel. Outstanding effort, kiddos. Well done.
Yay!
Mango. This is a mango. Can you say mango? Let's spell it together. M A N G O Mango. Mangoes are juicy and bursting with tropical flavor. Good work, kiddos.
Wonderful!
Orange. This is an orange. Can you say orange? Okay, let's spell it together. O R A N G E Orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C and super refreshing. Wow, you're learning so much, kiddos.
Awesome!
Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Let's spell it together. S T R A W B E R Y Strawberry. Strawberries are sweet and heart-shaped. So cute. You're doing fantastic, kiddos. Well done.
High five!
Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Can you say pineapple? Let's spell it together. P I N E A P P L E Pineapple. Pineapples are tropical fruit and taste so sweet. Keep up the great work, kiddos.
Hooray!
Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Can you say watermelon? Okay, now let's spell it together. W A T E R M E L O N. Watermelon. Watermelons are juicy and perfect for summer. Wow, you're a superstar, kiddos.
Marvelous!
Grapes. Can you say grapes? Now let's spell it together. G R A P E S. Grapes. Grapes are small, sweet, and fun to eat. Way to go, kiddos!
Yahoo!
Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Can you say blueberry? Let's spell it together. B L U E B E R R Y. Blueberry. Blueberries are tiny but full of goodness. Aw, you make me smile, kiddos. Amazing work.
Wow!
Peach. This is a peach. Can you say peach? Okay, now let's spell it together. P E A C H. Peach. Peaches are soft, juicy, and delicious. Wonderful job, kiddos.
Terrific!
Cherry. This is a cherry. Can you say cherry? Let's spell it together. C H E R R Y. Cherry. Cherries are bright red and super sweet. Wow, you're working so hard, kiddos. Good work.
Great!
Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Can you say kiwi? Let's spell it together. K I W I. Kiwi. Kiwis are fuzzy outside and green inside. Excellent work, kiddos.
Love it!
Pear. This is a pear. Can you say pear? Now let's spell it together. P E A R. Pear. Pears are soft, sweet, and easy to bite. You're really smart, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Can you say pomegranate? Now let's spell it together. P O M E G R A N A T E. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are filled with juicy red seeds. That was awesome, kiddos.
Hooray!
Avocado. This is an avocado. Can you say avocado? Now let's spell it together. A V O C A D O. Avocado. Avocados are creamy and full of healthy goodness. You did a great job today, kiddos. Well done.
Yay!
Wow, kiddos, you all spelled 15 fruits. That was amazing. Give yourself a big clap. Yay! You learned how to spell yummy fruits like apples, bananas, mangoes, and more. I am so proud of you. You all did a great job. See you next time, kiddos. Bye.
Bye, Miss V. Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.